Main plaza. I guess I gotta turn around, right? So anywhere where I had a rocket, I could shoot the rockets. That was blocking a doorway. That's probably where I should go. So what's over here? Oh, I keep pressing the wrong button. I did all that. Did all that. Let me see, zoom in, rotate. I probably have to go here, right? What is this area? I feel like I've been here like 20,000 times. All right. I'm just gonna keep going all the way until oh, my brain hurts. So something looks new. 3 doors in here. I can go up there, or I can go through this other door. I don't care about these. All these things are irritating. Yeah, they're pretty aggressive. And these mushroom things. Okay, if my memory serves me correctly. I feel kind of bad destroying those little nightlight things. Oh yeah, this is energy. Oh, holy cow, man. What am I missing? What am I missing? So this is where I got... Yeah, I said I was gonna come back here. After I got, this is where I got my rockets. This is the way, this is the way. Oh yeah. And then I couldn't progress because I didn't have the ball. Now I do. Oh yeah, this is cool, this is new. Whoa! Look at this, Jess. Oh yeah, it's like Super Mario style. What am I saying? Come on, man, power up. Power up. Look around, look around, look around. I have not been here. Oh my gosh, okay. This is where I started, right? I haven't gone through this door yet. Oh! Oh my gosh. What are those? Bees! Holy cow, there's so many of them! Bees! I don't like earth bees, never mind alien bees. Alright. So can I go on that thing? They're back? Alright, let's go. Let's just get out of here. Unable to access magnetic rail system. Why? Another augmentation. I'm not worthy. Really? I haven't gone this way yet. Jump. What is happening? Oh wait, that's what? Is that where I just went? I just went this way. It must be so painful for like veterans to watch the new guys play. Like, dude, you missed it. You walked by it 3 times. Go back. Oh my gosh. I don't know. What am I looking at? Do I have to turn into a ball? Where am I? Did I just go back? I did not just go back, did I? No, I haven't been in here yet. Let's go. Shoot. Oh. It looks like a power-up of something over there. How do we get that? Look at that. Bigger missiles. Come on now. How do we get this thing open? I'm not leaving without my missiles. How about we just turn into a ball? Missiles, jump! I want the missiles!
No pieces?
Yeah, there's like missiles in there or something. I don't know how to get in here. What? There's tubes here. Maybe rockets? Whoa, where did I go? Do I shoot a rocket again? Ah! I feel so close. Why would they do that to me, man? Just like, here you go. Here's some rocket upgrades for you that you can't have. Well, there's a door. Let's go through that door. Here. There's a door on this side. I haven't went through the other side yet, so. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. The controller is shaking in fear. Do-do-do-do. Oh! I'm outside. Energy tank acquired. So I got 300 energy now. But what does that mean? I have no idea. Okay, so that was weird. I don't know where to save anymore. These guys are just pestilent fellas. I need to figure out how to... Is there any like hidden things that I miss? They just go away if you leave them alone. I don't know what to do. Where's the save spot? I'm gonna go to the save spot because that was a lot of work to get that stuff. I got 300 energy now. I'm going to the save spot real quick. She can handle it. Doodaloo, doodaloo.
Beetle.
Yeah. I can't see. Oh, I gotta go around this thing, okay. I think I lost my voice from overexcitement. Save. Yeah. Yeah. Want me to unlock your computer?
Me?
Yeah. Just a second. I'll stop the recording. I'll help you out with your computer thingy.